if Google Chrome is not working on your Oppo phone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just open the app drawer and go to Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Apps, then tap on App Management. Now from this app list, just look for Google Chrome. Tap on Chrome, then go to the storage usage. Select Clear Data and tap on Clear All Data. Tap on OK. Now after you clear all the data of your Google Chrome, then just go back and tap on Force Stop. Select Force Stop. Then go to your home screen and perform a restart on your phone. For that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. And once you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. And from here, just swipe up and select Restart. Now, after you've done that, now just check if Google Chrome is working or not. Tap on Continue and select Yes, I'm in. Tap on Continue, select Allow. As you can see, this is how you can fix this issue. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just select Google Chrome and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just tap on Update and update Google Chrome. And this is how you can fix Google Chrome not working or not opening on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.